Hello and welcome guys, welcome to my ride. I am back from my vacation and from my motorcycle tours, and I captured insane footage which I'll show you in the next few videos. And today we're going to talk about my favorite motorcycle accessories when it comes to touring. You can find every accessory linked down in the description below. So let's get started. Number 1 is the USB charger. This nifty and accessibly priced little device connects directly to a motorcycle battery's harness and affords any bike a USB charging port. The gadget not only allows you to recharge a smartphone or a tablet, but can also be used to power a motorcycle GPS unit, an action camera, or a communication system. And I think everybody would agree when I say it's one of the worst things when you're running out of battery on a tour. If you like my videos, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. This would help out the channel really much and is massively appreciated. Number 2 are earpieces or earplugs. Wind noise inside of a motorcycle helmet at freeway speeds can easily be as loud as 100 decibels, which can be harmful and lead to permanent hearing loss even after as little as half an hour time. The earpieces or earplugs were created to solve this problem. They're using a proprietary noise-cancelling filter technology that eliminates ambient wind and engine sounds while still letting screeching tires, horns or other important sounds through it, so your situational awareness won't be compromised. These little things cost around $20 to $30. But it's also possible to get some custom-made pieces which fit better and are around $100 US. I would recommend anybody to try those out because it's way more comfortable to ride at higher speeds. Number 3. The helmet lock or locks in general. When I was on my last long trip, I learned to appreciate locks for the motorcycle. We were often in a situation where we wanted to go for a little walk or a swim in the sea, and we were not able to leave our luggage anywhere where it was safe. So we bought some locks and strapped our helmets and our riding gear onto the bike. Because of that, we were able to go for a swim and we didn't have to worry about our riding gear being stolen at the beach. Those locks are really helpful and are really inexpensive. The locks we bought on our last trip were about $10 to $15 each, so it's really not breaking the bank. Number 4 is a little useful thing I found on the web, the Garmin Sumo tire pressure monitor. The most important thing on your bike is the tire. It is actually just a small contact point to the road, which is as big as the palm of your hand. That's why you should ensure that they are in a good condition and are filled with the proper amount of air. So in general, you should check the air pressure in the tire before every ride. But let's be honest, who does that? So this gadget comes into handy. You can check the tire pressure with ease and ensure a safe ride. This system is a great solution for everybody that hasn't a state-of-the-art bike with those sensors already included. And it comes especially into handy when you already own a Garmin Sumo navigation system. Then you only have to plug on the sensors and connect it to your navigation system. So it's not that expensive because one sensor is about $70 US. So you're paying $140 US and you're ready to go. Now we're coming to number 5. I know it's not really a motorcycle accessory, but I use it really much on tours. I'm talking about an action camera. Whether you're looking to record footage from your first motorcycle track day, shoot some shots on an upcoming road trip, or start your own motorcycle YouTube channel, an action camera is the best camera for this job. I personally use the state-of-the-art GoPro, and I have to tell you, the footage is really great, as you can see. But it also has some flaws, but I think that's a topic for a separate video. But in general, I can really recommend it for this purpose. So that was it for today guys, I hope I'll see you again next Sunday. Have fun riding, ride your ride, goodbye.